The first thing we do at a new facility is interview the staff to understand their cleaning and disinfecting workflow. One thing we figured out early on is that the system absolutely has to integrate with current operations. While it may not be as complex as aircraft operations, you'll find that a crew that cleans and disinfects 350,000 square feet every night has a very well-defined and optimized process and sequence for getting things done. Our intent is for the robots to operate in parallel with these existing workflows for seamless integration. Once we determine the best sequence for fogging, we use a BreezyOne unit to map and survey the space. The floor plan you see on the screen was actually developed by the robot's onboard sensors. Once we have the spaces fully mapped, our application engineers can program fogging zones and fogging paths and load them into the robot. Once they are loaded and tested, we're ready to go. Based on how we break up the workflow, we define fogging zones and program them into the interface. When ready, the user can fog just an individual zone or tell the robot to fog the entire sequence. Once we've decided what we need to fog, the operator will prep Breezy, verify the space to be fogged is clear, then activate the fogging unit and send Breezy along its merry way. Breezy will navigate to its first starting point, then start its fogging pattern. One of the most important things we do when we're designing your fogging path is swab for total bacterial load in high traffic and high touch areas. We use bacteria as a proxy for viral load because it's easier to detect and they generally occur in the same space. After fogging, we go through and swab again to make sure that we're fogging effectively to disinfect your space and to refine our fogging path. Chemical fogging is the most effective way to kill microbes in a large facility. And chemical fogging with autonomous means is the most cost-efficient way to get this done. A lot of the options that are available right now include UV robots, manual daily cleaning, having an outside service come in intermittently to clean your facility, and now using BreezyOne to do a daily cleaning. You can see on this chart that depending upon the use case and how highly utilized the resource is, the costs vary pretty widely. We've worked really hard to ensure that Breezy is not only the fastest and easiest and most effective way to clean your space, it's also the most cost effective.